So Bitcoin just hit 73,000 and the crypto market looks really strong. So you might be thinking to yourself, you know what? I'd like to give this crypto thing a try. I am ready to invest, only what I'm prepared to lose. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for an account and buy your first crypto asset. To buy crypto, you need to find people who are selling crypto. The best places to find them are crypto exchanges and peer-to-peer crypto trading platforms. So in this video, I'm going to focus specifically on the centralized crypto exchanges. These are the ones that are managed by a central authority. Most of them are companies. Some you have heard of, like Binance and Coinbase. They are decentralized exchanges as well, but those are a little more complicated for someone who is new to the space, so I will cover them in a separate video. What is an exchange? An exchange is an intermediary. It is a middleman. It brings together buyers and sellers and charges them a small fee for facilitating the transaction between them. There are several crypto exchanges, more than there were when I started out in crypto more than 8 years ago. At that time, trying to buy crypto was like walking through a maze, and you just didn't know whether you would make it out with your crypto intact. I remember one of the few exchanges that I was really comfortable using at the time was an exchange called Bitstamp. Bitstamp was founded in 2011 and it's still around. It's still going strong. It was one of the only few reputable ones, at least the only one that I trusted. Thankfully, things have changed and there are so many of them now. Bitstamp is still alive and kicking. However, its services and its products pale in comparison to the most popular exchanges, which include Binance, OKX, Bybit, Coinbase, and Kraken. But in this video, I'm going to focus on Binance. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world. It is available in most countries around the world, although some of its services are limited in particular countries. There are also countries where it's not supported anymore, like the United States. I'm going to focus on Binance because the way that it works is very similar to how OKX and Bybit work. Coinbase and Kraken are also, there are some similarities, but also a number of differences. Binance is also the most popular exchange in Sub-Saharan Africa, where I am based. And so I'm going to start by sharing how you can sign up for an account on Binance and buy your first crypto asset. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to the Binance website. And when you go there, you'll be met by this page, which will ask you to sign up for an account. You can do so using your email. You can also use your phone. Once you have signed up for an account, you will be met by this page. This is your dashboard. And it has a number of tabs that I encourage you to check out when you have a chance. But today, I want to focus on the Buy Crypto tab, which I have highlighted here. So when I click that tab, I'll be taken to another page where I can buy crypto. As you can see, I can't really do much on Binance if I haven't verified my account. And this is true for most exchanges. And this is done so that the exchanges can comply with anti-money laundering and know your customer policies. Once you have provided some personal information as well as a copy of your government issued ID, your account should be verified in under 10 minutes. Sometimes it is longer and it depends on how much traffic the website is receiving. In 2017, right before Bitcoin hit 20,000 for the first time, I remember it took upwards of 1 week for accounts to be verified because there was an influx of users and also there was a lot of traffic that was being directed towards exchanges. Right now, in under 10 minutes, your account should be verified. Then you can go back and try to buy crypto. As you can see, I can only use a Visa card to buy crypto on this exchange. When I click the Pay With section, I can only buy crypto with a card, and it has to be a Visa card. And I can also use P2P trading, although it shows right here that the amount I've entered is too small. P2P trading is peer-to-peer. That means that I transact directly with someone without an intermediary. Though I would say what Binance offers is a pseudo peer-to-peer trading experience, because it is making sure that the transaction proceeds seamlessly through various mechanisms that it has on its marketplace. So when I go back to my dashboard, I can click trade, and from the drop-down menu, I can select P2P. This will take me to this page. And as you can see, there are a number of advertisers. I can select the region that I'm based in. I can select my preferred payment method, and I can select my preferred currency. So I just go with currency, Uganda shillings. And when I click that, a list of ads will pop up. And when I look at the first ad, I can see the reputation of the advertiser. I can also see her or his preferred payment methods and the minimum and maximum order that this advertiser accepts. So if I am happy with all of those details, I can go ahead and purchase crypto from this person. With Binance, you can purchase up to 7 different cryptos using the peer-to-peer marketplace. If you want to purchase something that isn't available in the peer-to-peer marketplace, then you can purchase something like Bitcoin or stablecoin, and then move to the exchange section of Binance and purchase your preferred crypto over there. There are many fraudulent websites out there and several scammers and scam artists out there ready to separate you from your hard-earned crypto. So within your account, go to its security section, which you will find under account, and enable authentication, as well as the use of an anti-phishing code. So at the bare minimum, you should have these 2 features enabled because they give your account another layer of security. And as you become more comfortable with exchanges, you can add other layers of security, such as a pass key. So what I have described for Binance applies to Bybit and also OKX. They're very similar in the way that they enable users to sign up and buy crypto, and they also have marketplaces. You can also check out Kraken and Coinbase, which have a similar setup policy, although they do not have marketplaces. But this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching and listening. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, and share. And that's all I have. I'll catch you in the next one.